Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an AI logo in Canva. So as you can see, we are in Canva, and what we're going to do is come up to the top left here and click on create a design. We're going to type in the search bar at the top logo, and we're going to press enter. So as you can see, that has now brought us up a blank logo. And if you need to resize it, then what you can do is come up to the top left-hand side here where it says resize, give that a click, and then you can make sure that you've got the right measurements and everything. So just press that, copy and resize, which is great. Okay, awesome. So now that has done that for us, what we're going to do is come to the left-hand side and we're going to click on apps. Once that has loaded, we're going to come up to the search bar and we're going to type in logo. So I have only used this first logo maker myself. I'm not sure about the other ones. I'm sure they are really good, but we're going to use this one here. So as you can see, it now says describe the logo that you want. So you want to write a prompt and try and make it as descriptive as possible. So I have said the outline of a lion's head with a dark blue background. The lion's head is with bright and bold colors and thin lines. So let's hit create and see what generates for us. Amazing. Cool. So that looks really good. Love the picture of that, and it can be a really great starting point for you. So you could take this to a graphic designer and say, I want to this is the basis of what I want my logo. You can upscale it, you can rerun the prompt, change it, say specific colors that you want. But so far, I think that's a really great starting point for a logo. So that's it, guys. Super quick one for you today. If you found this video useful, if you could leave us a like and a subscribe, that would be amazing. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.